Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Aniket Vishwakarma, and today in this video you're going to watch a broadband review. So this broadband is Spectra, as you can see on the screen. So this broadband is getting a lot of popularity nowadays, so to just thought of making a video on it. So in this video I'll be showing you what plans are they offering, and how are the plans, are they affordable or what. So and also that they're providing the fastest this one speed, that is up to 1 Gbps. So I'll be showing you even that one. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get my videos regularly. So let's start the video now. So as you can see, this is the home page of Spectra Broadband, and they are giving service in these cities. Just let me show you. You can go scroll down, and at last you can see check broadband plans in your city. So these cities: Gurugram, Bengaluru, Pune, Delhi, Mumbai, Ghaziabad, Noida and Chennai. So these are the cities where their service is available. So if you are in these cities, you can just check out their plans, and if you like, you can go and subscribe the plan. So for now I'll be checking out in Bengaluru. So I'll click here Bengaluru, as you can see, and let it load. So as you can see, I've selected this Bengaluru, and in Bengaluru, if you want to know where all they provide their service, you can just scroll down at last. As you can see, I'm going down, and as you can see, check broadband plans in your area. So these are the areas where their service is available. So if you are in these areas, you can just contact them. So for now I'll just select a random location. I'll search over here, as you can see in this search bar. So let's search some random location, guys. So as you can see, I'm just taking some random location, and it will show me the packages available. So as you can see here, there are 3 packages. So just let me close this one first, and I'll show you. As you can see, there is one lowest plan, that is Spectra Fast, and the middle one Spectra Faster, and the last one is Spectra Fastest. So in this location, you're gonna get 3 plans, as you can see, and the base plan is of 1000 rupee per month, and it goes on till 2.5k, as you can see. So first let us look at to this Spectra Fast. I just open this one now. So as you can see, you're gonna get a symmetric speed of 250 Mbps, that is 250 Mbps upload plus download, that is same. So that's very good. And also you're gonna get 1000 GB of, if you haven't used any like data of your previous month, it will be added to your data in the next month. So as you can see, the max of 1000 GB of data from previous month can be added. And also you're gonna get a dual band Wi-Fi router, and that it will be, I think so, on security deposit, so you need to pay for that one, but you will get the money once you end the connection. And let's see the price. So as you can see, the price is of base price is of around 1000 rupees, and one time installation fee you have to give around 1000 rupees, so that will be non refundable. And as usual, 18% GST is as applicable, as you can see. So initially you have to pay 4359, and by next month you can avoid that 1000 rupees fee, and you can pay only that one. So this was that, and let's look to the next one. So this is a Spectra Faster, and as you can see, they're gonna give 500 Mbps of data. That is very fast, guys, 500 Mbps, and you're gonna get both 500 Mbps upload plus download, so no issue in that one. And same over here also, like that, you're gonna get 1500 GB of carry forward data if you haven't used any of that. And also you're gonna get dual band Wi-Fi router, that is 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. So that's really good, and the base price is of around 1.6k, and as usual 1000 rupees installation charges and 18% GST. So you need to pay so many things, and they have some charges also, as you can see, amount to pay 5067. So you need to pay so much and all to get this plan. Let's look at to the fastest plan. This is so interesting, guys. As you can see, you're gonna get 1 Gbps. That's really fast, guys. I can't believe. And same, it is like 1 Gbps upload plus download, so it's symmetric speed, no variation in that. And also you're gonna get around 2000 GB of previous data, and it will be added to your next month, so that's okay. And also you're gonna get unlimited data for streaming something and all. And same dual band Wi-Fi router, you're gonna get 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz, so it will be in one router only, so both dual band it will be. And as you can see, the price is really interesting, guys. As you can see, for 2.5k this one base price, you're gonna get 1 Gbps of data. So that's really great, because whereas all other broadband providers like Airtel or Act. They are providing a really costly for this 1 Gbps, but this Spectra is providing at a really low rate, so that's really good. But you need to pay 1,000 rupees of installation charges. That is not refundable, so that you have to keep in mind and just look at this. So I think so. If you need a really high speed, then you can just go on this 1 Gbps plan, because that's really affordable like for some people. But if you are like, if you want lower speed, you can go for this base speed, that is 250 mbps. That's also really fast, guys. Don't think that is very slow. That is also really fast. So that is for around 1,000 rupees per month base price without GST billing. Okay, and I'll be showing you in other cities also what plans are available, because in each city it is varying, guys. So now, guys, I will be changing the city from Bangalore to Pune. So as you can see, I'll be like selecting Pune. So we'll be checking out in Pune where all you get this Spectra service. Will go down, and as you can see, at only 3 places you're gonna get this Spectra service. So this is Wakad, Pashan, Kondhanwa, some location. So I'll just take some random location, guys, and I'll be showing you what are the plans. So just let me take some random location. As you can see, guys, I'll just search the packages. What are we gonna get in this area? So let's see the base plan. As you can see here also, we have something like Spectra Starter, Spectra Fast, Spectra Faster. But there's one strange thing, guys. You can't see that highest speed, that is 1 Gbps, so that's missing over here. So let's look at to the base plan. As you can see in the Spectra Starter, you're gonna get 100 Mbps of upload speed plus download speed, so that's okay. And you're gonna get around 1000 GB of data carry over. So if you have let some data, you can just carry it to your next month. And if you exhaust your speed, you can get this 2 Mbps of speed all time. And the base price is of around 900, and you have to pay 1000 installation fee. That is common for every plan, and that is not refundable, guys. And also you need to pay some GST, that is 18% GST. So 2241 you have to pay, I think so, including that one. And let's look to the next plan. This is the Spectra Fast. So in this Spectra Fast, you're gonna get 150 Mbps of plan, and you're gonna get 150 Mbps upload plus 150 Mbps download speed. That's okay. And same, it is like 1000 GB of carry forward data, so that's good. And if you exhaust your data, you can just get 2 Mbps of data like speed, like it is constant. And the base price is of around 1000 rupees, and you need to pay 1000 rupees GST. Sorry, guys, it's not GST. I'm really sorry. It is one time installation fee and 18% GST. So totally you need to pay 2359 for the first month, and from the next month you can just avoid this 1000, and you can just pay except the one installation fee. So it's okay for, but cost looks high. And let's look to the Spectra Faster. In the Spectra Faster, you're gonna get 250 Mbps of plan, and you're gonna get 250 Mbps upload plus download speed. So that is very good. And here you're gonna get unlimited data, so that's really good. And also you're gonna get dual band Wi-Fi router. So I think that is common in every plan, but you need to pay some security deposit for that, and you can just grab that router. And once you just end the connection, you can just claim that amount and return your router. So that's good. But let's look at the price. So price is 1250, and here you can see, guys, security like it is refundable, that is 2.5k, and installation fee is 1000 rupee, same for everything, and 18% GST, so it is 405. For the first month you need to pay 5154 rupees. In this it is including that 2.5k refundable deposit and also the installation fee. So from the next month it will reduce. So once you end the connection, you're gonna get this 2000 rupee, 2.5k, sorry. Yeah. So okay, but as you saw in the Bangalore plan, the base plan was for 250 Mbps, and the price was just 1000 rupees. So over here they're charging more for you in Pune location. So there's a variation in speed and amount what you're gonna pay. So just look out for that one. So it depends on which location you are available. So I'll just show you in Delhi also what plans are available. I think it is same as Bangalore. So I'll just change the city now, as you can see. So I'll just select Delhi. So as you can see, I'll show you in Delhi where all that area is covered, the service. Just go down. As you can see, in Delhi there are many locations. So these are the locations all where it is available. So I'll just select some random location. Let me select Kalkaji. I'll search over here. So as you can see, some random location I'm searching. So as you can see, it is we have 3 plans over here. It is same as that Bengaluru plan. As you can see, the base plan starts from 250 Mbps and goes up till 1 Gbps, and the price is also same. Like for Spectra Fast, it is 1000 rupees per month. For Spectra Faster, it is 1.6K, that is for 500 Mbps, and for the fastest one, that is 1 Gbps, you're gonna pay 2.5K. So that's really good. Because I like the 1 Gbps plan. But who want the lower cost one, you can go grab this 250 Mbps. That's really good, guys. So that is also looking very cheap. So that's good. So like Bengaluru plan and the Delhi plan is same, but when you go to different cities like Pune, the plan is differing, like by speed and by rate also. So you need to check that one. So that's good. But I have seen one thing in Delhi plan. As you can see, they are going to give some Spectra voice news, something like a VO Wi-Fi, that is voice over Wi-Fi calling, that one. And for that you need to pay in somewhere, I think so. I think here it is no, like it is free in that 1 Gbps, but you need to pay over here something for that one in the Spectra Fast. So you need to pay some extra money for that one. But in 1 Gbps it is free, as you can see, at no additional cost. But here they have not mentioned anything like that, as you can see, guys. So that is there. So you can just look out yourself. So I'll be just mentioning the website in the description. If you want to just check out, you can just check out and see. And if you're not following me on Twitter, please do follow me on Twitter. I'll be leaving all the links in the description, and also for the Instagram one. So please do follow there, all social networking site, and be just posting all the reviews and all over there. So this was the video, guys, on Spectra broadband, and its broadband is just growing very high, guys, I can say, because they're providing a very cheap data. As you can see, for 1 Gbps they are just providing 2.5K per month, except GST. And like other broadband providers like Airtel, ActFiber, they are like giving at really high cost, guys. So I think Spectra is doing a really good job. So let's see in the future what they do. Like they introduce like higher or like lower plans and all. So it depends on them. We'll be seeing, and also we'll be doing review again if they upgrade their plan and all. So if you have any doubt, guys, just comment in the comment section. I'll be just reading and just replying your comments. So it will be good for you also. And also, guys, please do subscribe my channel, and also turn on the bell icon for getting all the notifications regularly. And also please do support my channel by like visiting all the links whatever I've given in the description. So it will help my channel to grow as much as possible. So this was all for the video, guys. So if you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel, and take care and bye bye.